Which nutrient is primarily responsible for building and repairing tissues in the body? A. Carbohydrates. B. Proteins. C. Fats. D. Vitamins. Correct answer. B. Proteins. Which of the following is considered a healthy source of fats? A. Butter. B. Olive oil. C. French fries. D. Margarine. Correct answer. B. Olive oil. Which vitamin is most commonly associated with boosting the immune system? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin E. Correct answer. C. Vitamin C. Which mineral is essential for strong bones and teeth? A. Iron. B. Potassium. C. Calcium. D. Sodium. Correct answer. C. Calcium. Which food group should make up the largest portion of your plate according to most dietary guidelines? A. Protein. B. Grains. C. Vegetables. D. Dairy. Correct answer. C. Vegetables. Did you know that avocados are technically berries? Not only are they unique for being creamy and rich in healthy fats, but they also contain more potassium than bananas. One avocado has around 975 milligrams of potassium, compared to about 422 milligrams in a medium-sized banana. Potassium is essential for heart health, muscle function, and balancing fluids in the body. So, adding avocados to your diet can be both a delicious and nutritious choice.
Thanks for watching Daily Q&A. If you enjoyed our answers, hit subscribe to stay updated with daily insights and more. Your support keeps us going.